Built for the impossible. Ready for the inevitable. Introducing the Wombat Inspection Crawler, where cutting-edge 4K recording technology meets uncompromising durability from uplink robotics. Built compact yet mighty, this powerhouse transforms how professionals approach inspection challenges, delivering cinema-quality documentation in spaces others fear to enter. Capture up to 4K video and razor-sharp 8.3 megapixel photos with up to 6 times digital zoom that captures every critical detail from any distance, turning your inspections into undeniable evidence. With live HD video streaming at its core, the Wombat features an integrated controller display system that delivers real-time visibility like never before, giving you the ability to see defects on-site easily, making even the most complex inspections effortless and precise. Engineered to push the boundaries of possibility, the Wombat flips over and keeps moving, slipping effortlessly through the tightest spaces and pivoting with zero-turn precision. This crawler is unstoppable no matter the challenge. Take control of the scene with up to 1,000 lumens of dimmable LED lighting, revealing hidden issues in crawl spaces, attics, and confined spaces where every detail matters. Master any terrain with up to 1,000 feet line of sight range with dependable wireless connectivity, navigating hazardous or unreachable areas safely, precisely, and without compromise. From inspections to emergency response, engineering, and construction, the Wombat delivers safe remote access to tight or challenging spaces. Its stabilized camera gimbal can tilt up and down, capturing every critical angle with precision, so no detail goes unseen, and every inspection is thorough, accurate, and actionable. Navigate impossible spaces with surgical precision, tight foundations, cramped attics, narrow passages. With its agile design and simultaneous photo and video capture, the Wombat ensures no detail goes unseen. Power through the largest properties with confidence. Up to 4 hours of continuous operation, plus lightning-fast battery swaps mean you'll never cut an inspection short or leave work unfinished. That's the Wombat, where precision meets performance for professionals who accept nothing less than excellence.